Peace everyone, it's the Hood Mystic representing www.hoodmystic.com, and I just wanted to talk about the card of the day today, which is the Nine of Discs, which is ironic because it's being Friday and Venus is being the ruler of this card, and today being Friday and Venus being the ruler of this day is a very interesting coincidence, one would say. And so the idea with this card is the power of anticipation. Just to know that good things are coming, just to know that the best is yet to come. If you could look at Venus or Aphrodite or whoever, the goddess of love, as she awaits the disc being floated towards her, just in the smile that's upon her face, just the positive vibration of knowing that good things are coming. In the aspect of Virgo, understanding that the ground is fertile. So the question would be with this card, what are you truly expecting? Are you expecting good, or are you expecting doom or gloom and things of that nature? The 9 in tarot represents culmination. It represents the end of a cycle. Like 9 is the end, and you begin to walk into a new space. So here we have Venus and Virgo ultimately representing a harvest, representing something that you've prepared for, something that you've really worked hard for, something that, you know, if you were working through tarot, you start at the Ace of Discs. Once you get to the 9 of Discs, it's like, okay, I've reached that level of physical satisfaction, whether it's a new home, whether it's some money, whether, you know, it's just love, you know, a change for the better ultimately. And if you have any business ideas, any things that you're trying to do in life, this is the time to do it. Now that Mercury is back out of retrograde, out of shadow, ready to do your bidding. So, you know, invest in your own positive karma. Do things for others as you would want them to do for you. Like, that's a good idea to work with this card. And just, you know, positive vibrations, planting those seeds, and just continuing the tradition of, you know, giving to the world what you want to receive. And then with this card, though, being that it's the 9 of Discs, being that it's a harvest, being that it's a physical reality, you're gonna get something that, like, in real terms, like, you're really gonna get something positive when dealing with this card, when really actively participating in your karma. So I just wanted to share that message with you. Hopefully, you know, this message resonated. If you've been going through a stagnant period where you haven't really got what you truly been wanting, this is really the time to really set your mind in a space to really receive that. So with that being said, I'm the Hood Mystic. I'm signing out. Me and John, www.hoodmystic.com, www.altercreations.net. Peace. Thank you.